Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Jessica Emery, the Happy CEO, and I have been posting on this channel for the past year. A couple friends and myself decided to do magic nights, and two of us pulled YouTube 365, which meant that we had to post every single day. So in the beginning, I started out strong doing these longer version videos, and then I ended up moving to shorter content because it was quick and easy, but nevertheless, I have been showing up every single day and I'm super proud of myself. But here we are at kind of the end of the year, approaching 2026, and we've got almost 8 weeks, I think 9 weeks today, but like coming up on 8 weeks, my favorite number 8. And I have such a full November, like crazy town. I'm going to be bouncing back and forth from entrepreneurial, like female entrepreneur events to dental conference and events, but like, and then private client, photo shoot weekends. So it is going to be a wild one. And I thought that I would take you along and kind of document my journey. I also wanted to start documenting some really fun serendipitous things that have happened in my world, along with really taking you inside to what it looks like to be an online entrepreneur, having been a dentist for many, many years. If you missed the video back when I introduced myself, I had a cosmetic fee-for-service dental practice in Chicago for 18 years. By design, I was living in my dream home with my 3 kiddos and my husband, and I had 2 other businesses as well, White Hut, a teeth whitening bar, and Dental Soiree, a digital media agency, all brick and mortar spaces, very different. And on a quarantine dream about Charleston that I had 2 nights in a row, after saying something to my husband, he had been looking at Charleston on his iPad. I was like, we need to get on a plane. We never looked back. 3 months later, we were living down here, and it was Christmas Eve. So Christmas Eve, actually, my husband and my kids moved down first because I had to do a 3-month transition at my practice. It's an entire another story how serendipitous it was that I met the person that purchased my practice that quick. It's insane. That's for another video. But it was Christmas Eve 5 years ago. It'll be 5 years this Christmas Eve, and I cannot even believe it. It's still a pinch me, am I dreaming life? And just now, I am moving into helping other health and wellness practitioners, dentists, move into the online space because it is absolutely incredible, like beyond magical. It's so incredible. And any of you watching this video can do this. I am niching. It's taken me a hot minute to kind of just burn down some things that I had going on in business. But I've really done it all when it comes to speaking. I wrote 2 books. I have 2 podcasts. I'm really trying to like bring everything together into one now with Happy CEO, my company. But it's been just quite the journey and an interesting ride. And I've done so many things and can really help you just get to your next level, which is so amazing. Like, all of you can do it because when you use your imagination for creation, absolutely everything around us right now was once in someone's mind, right? And all of us have unique gifts, every single one of you, where you can bring it online. And there are ways I have found and learned through my time. You don't need a large audience. You don't need a big brand because you can leverage other people's audiences. And obviously there is power in proximity. So there are so many ways. I'm all about speed. I love to fast track. And so from this point forward, for the next 8 weeks, I'm going to take you with me on my journey. Also, just the content I share is going to be about moving into the online space, ways to do that, ways to take your knowledge. I matched my dental income online. It's pretty amazing. And have recurring revenue still coming in from 8 years ago for like a product in the online space that I created, which is wild. There's nothing better than seeing cha-chings come in on your phone while you're sleeping. Like, you hear people talk about it all the time, right? But it is for real. And you get to play and have so much fun, and it's like luxury, like freedom. So I'm going to also be tapping into what that looks like and feels like over the next several videos. So thanks for being here. If you have any questions about the online space, please drop them in the comment, like and subscribe. We're going to be running together over the next, like I said, several weeks till the end, till December 31st, where I will have done 365 days here on YouTube, and I will be celebrating hard. And then moving into the new year, I will officially be like locked and loaded into Happy CEO and helping, like I said, just anybody really that wants to move into the online space I can help with, but more specifically because, you know, we are told to niche, although I never put myself ever in a box, and neither should you. Online anyway, I'm speaking to, like I said, dental and health and wellness practitioners because you are, if it's you, being controlled by a system. And it's never going to change. So I'm excited to help more people move out of that control that's leaving people in scarcity and lack and fear. That's their place to live. And super pumped as well. I've got 2 books coming out. They are for dentists, the Dental Freedom Method and the Dental Frequency Formula. Those are both in the midst of being published. They'll be out on Amazon before the end of the year. Super excited about that. But I speak to freedom. I speak to frequency. You have everything within you. And many of you know this because you're waking up here on this planet right now, and things are just getting better and better and better. And there's no time like now, especially with ChatGPT. My gosh, you can take your knowledge and wisdom and then just like build it out so fast and, you know, create a masterclass and partner with somebody else in the online space to leverage their audience. I mean, let's get into it, shall we? It's about to get good around here. So thanks for joining me for this video today, and stay tuned for more.